guys, it's Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. So I was just setting my camera up. Like, please don't mind if it's, I don't know, just off today. It's on, like, it has the ring light and then it like screws into the top and it's on this like ball joint socket thingy. I don't know what they're called, and it's like totally stripped. So my camera is just balancing with like a little screw, not even screwed in, just sitting on top of this thing, and I'm hoping it doesn't fall over. So I'm not even gonna touch it. We're gonna leave it there. But I so need to like change the setup. I know, like that is coming, I promise. But guess what? It is New Year's Eve right now, and this is what I'm doing with my life. I'm not going out. I don't even, that's like not even an option. Going out, like, what is that? I don't do that in my life. So I'm gonna film this video, and it's going to be on some Huda beauty products. So I recently picked up the Scarlet lashes. I thought they were so beautiful. They're called the Scarlet number 8. Oh, it comes with like a little instruction booklet on the lashes, so that's cool. I thought they were so pretty, and I love super intense lashes. Yeah, they're really pretty. See? I want to say they were 20 bucks, I believe. I'm not sure, but oh yeah, they're really pretty. I'm gonna use my Huda palette, and I am going to be using one of the new lip contour sets. This is the Vixen and Famous. This is the darkest one. I am so in love with this set. Look at these colors. They're gorgeous. But I think I'm just gonna do like a little eyeshadow look with the Desert Dusk palette. I actually am just gonna do a really simple look. I kind of want this specifically for something I'm doing after, which you will see, like after the video, just the look I'm doing for my page. But I'm gonna just choose this color right down here, Saffron, which blends, these colors blend awesome. I'm gonna use that on the outside. I'm kind of just sticking to 2 colors, so I'm going to use that, just keep building it down, and then I am going to cut the crease with black, just black. I'm gonna use Blackout actually, because it's a really smooth black, and this blends amazing, this black, from my Naked 2 palette. Seriously, they kill it with that black shadow. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm just gonna take one of my blending brushes from Morphe and dip it into the saffron. Tap that off, and I am just gonna create, oh my god, no I'm not. I am so crazy. I totally forgot to set my lid. I put my concealer on, and that's it, guys. I totally forgot I didn't set my lid, because I'm doing this like in 2 different parts. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Alright, now we are gonna go in with Saffron, and I'm kind of just gonna stick to like a round, like I just kind of want a rounded shape going on here, and I don't really want any other color. That's actually exactly what I'm wanting. That's it. That is exactly what I am wanting. So I'm gonna go in on the other side. I'm gonna be gentle around the edges, because I kind of do want a distinct line. Like I want it to like almost be a distinct circle, but I do want it to get darker down here. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush and just apply more red, and then we're gonna blend that out just so I don't carry too much red up too high. I wanna put that on with a smaller brush. I'm gonna take the same brush because it already has the red on it and just blend that out, because sometimes I would go in with a clean brush, but I actually really want this red to be pretty intense, so I'm not worried about that right now like I would be with some other looks. I think that's how I want it, honestly. So now here's the fun part. I'm gonna cut my crease, do my entire lid black, and then smudge it out up into the red, because this doesn't have to be like a super neat crease cut. I just want okay, so I am pretty much gonna just throw a quick layer of concealer over my lid. Not that it really matters. Well, that was my sloppiest crease cut of the year. Okay, so now that we got that done, we are going to paint it black. I'm just gonna smear black all over my lids, guys. Honestly, I'm just gonna do that because that's what I like to do. Nothing better than a finger on the lid. Oh god. Okay, so I am gonna go back in with my small shading brush, just cleaning it real quick. And I am gonna blend out the black. I know I look a little crazy right now, right? How crazy? Oh gosh. Gosh. We're gonna get all of that covered up, and we are just gonna I just put the black on the lid, just like that. And I'm gonna do that on both sides, and we can always go in and darken the black on the lids. Okay, so, and don't mind the nicotine patch on my arm, I just gotta say that, but alright, I finished up my face makeup for the most part. We're gonna do the lip. I finished the eye, kind of, but I actually like how the eyes turned out. I think with everything done, it's gonna look really cool. You know, I'm always doing my dramatic looks. So I ended up achieving this by, blended it out, and then I just drew, I brought the red down, and then I used like a liner brush, and I brought the black shadow down underneath. It was not going how I had planned, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we are gonna put on the Huda Beauty lip products, and then I'm gonna put on the lashes and finish the look off camera. So I'm gonna start out, let's see what it says. I'm gonna do it as it says. There's like directions on the back. Oh, I'm assuming it goes in order, 1, 2, 3. So you line the lips, and then you put 2 all over, and then you put 3 in the center. I see. If I could get the products out, I would use them. I don't know how it's gonna look with my eyes. I guess we'll see. So I'm gonna line my lips, and you guys can see now. Like, yeah, I'm covered in concealer, but these are my lips. Like, everyone complains that I do this and do that. Like, do you see the size of them? Like, I'm not always, like, overlining them like crazy, like everyone says. So, anyway. The products. So, we're gonna take 2. So there are my lips with the one color all over them, the browner color, and then I'm going to put the red color in the center. Is this like all chunks? I mean, yeah, it's gorgeous, but I'm telling you, those NARS liquid lips, they have everyone else beat. If only you knew. Things that are sent to my phone. Dear God, help me make it through. Okay. So, got the lips done. I'm gonna get these eyes done finally. Let me throw some black eyeliner. Give me something. Okay, so next. Ooh, things are getting creepy looking. I like it. We're gonna throw my tartiest. Guys, I'm actually gonna throw eyeliner on my lid to darken it. Okay guys, I finally finished my eyes. Okay, so you're not even gonna be able to see my lashes, but I'm gonna put them on anyway. And then we're gonna see what this crazy look looks like. So what's really strange is my eyes never burn for any look ever. Guys, I mean, never. And they are burning right now, man. Well, these lashes are gorgeous. Can you see the lashes? Barely, because of the makeup I put on. They are so gorgeous, though. I love them so much. Okay, so I finally finished the makeup part for as much as I'm going to finish it because I'm frustrated. But I'm actually happy with how this turned out, and I think I'm gonna get some good pictures. So we'll see. This is my scary, crazy, bringing in the new year glam makeup look. Yeah, overall guys, I love, absolutely love the Huda Beauty lip contour kits. They are amazing. Like, look at this. That is so gorgeous. The lashes are amazing also. Overall, I like both products, and I have worn this and it is slightly drying. I have had worse though, so I do like this product. I absolutely love the colors. They are like my favorite colors to wear on your lips. So I give these Huda products an A+. I'm really just loving everything she comes out with. Like, I don't know if it's because she spent so long reviewing products or what, but she's amazing. So, yeah, I hope I get a good picture with this because I'm depressed. This was my New Year's, guys. This was my New Year's. So, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. We picked the winner, or we are picking the winner, I should say, of the Huda Beauty giveaway today, and then the Kylie giveaway will start to replace it. Wednesday I'll be releasing a video, and also Thursday. I think Thursday is going to be on a brush review. So yeah, stay tuned. I have some fun stuff coming this week. Love you guys, and I will see you on Wednesday.